Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. The AMD software installer detected AMD hardware, AMD graphics hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So the possible cause, there are three based on AMD.com. This article provides you how to know the possible cause and the solution. First one is embedded AMD Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics if you have old GPU, and customized AMD Radeon or EM systems. First one, embedded AMD Radeon graphics. So you can visit AMD driver and support. Here we go. This is the AMD driver and support. Choose embedded from the product selector to find download appropriate drivers. So if you don't know the model of your AMD graphic product and need help, you can refer to this article. So let's find it. You can click on graphic. Now you can select your graphic card, for example R9, R7 and R5. Let's try the R9 Fury series. R9 Fury 10, submit. Now here we go. This is the driver that you can download. AMD software Adrenaline version with the older version. So let's try again with the old graphic card Radeon HD, for example. Let's go back. Click graphics and Radeon embedded HD series HD5770 embedded. You can submit. Search for the operating system, and this one AMD embedded GPU and APU driver. You can download this now. Second, legacy AMD Radeon graphics or old graphic card that you have that listed here need a special driver. For example, you can try to go to the driver and software again. Let's close it first. Now you can select your graphics and try to search legacy graphics. You can find your old GPU here. For example, ATI, not AMD Radeon, because this is the old version. ATI Radeon 7500 series, submit. Choose the operating system, and now you can download the classic Catalyst software suite. Next, this is the OEM. For the OEM system, you can obtain the latest driver from the OEM system builder partner manufacturer from official website. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.